The symptoms of a bad electronic diesel fuel injector can range from poor engine performance to excessive exhaust smoke. Modern electronically controlled common rail injectors are precisely calibrated, so a malfunction is quickly recognized by the Engine Control Module, ECM, and can set a diagnostic trouble code. Hyundai Sterix Royale. This car is a 2012 model with a 2.5cc CRD i16V engine. What are the common symptoms of a bad or malfunctioning electric diesel fuel injector in a Hyundai Sterix vehicle? Here are some. Symptoms. Number 1. Engine performance. Engine performance issues. Number 1. Rough idle and misfires. Rough idle and misfires. A faulty injector will not deliver the correct amount of fuel, causing the engine to miss a beat and run unevenly. You might feel a noticeable shaking or vibration, especially when the vehicle is stopped. Engine performance issues. Number 2. Loss of power and poor acceleration. The engine will not be able to produce its full power, resulting in slow acceleration and a general lack of performance. See the engine no longer revving up to 3000 RPM in the parking position. Engine performance issues. Number 3. Engine knocking or pinging. A faulty injector can cause the noise. You may hear a knocking or pinging sound in your car's engine. This occurs when fuel is not atomized properly and drops into the cylinder, resulting in uneven combustion and a distinct knocking sound. Symptoms. Number 2. Difficulty starting. I got inside the car to start the engine, but the engine cranked but won't start. The engine may have difficulty starting, especially when cold. This is because the injectors are not delivering enough fuel for initial combustion, requiring a long cranking period before the engine finally shuts down. In severe cases, the engine may not start at all. Especially if the car does not start with the electric fuel injector of a diesel car, do not try repeatedly, as this may be a problem with your injector. Repair the problem and start the car. Symptoms. Number 3. White or blue smoke. Look at this car's engine emitting a lot of smoke after starting it. Increased exhaust smoke, the type of smoke coming from the exhaust, can tell you a lot about the problem. This often indicates unburnt fuel. A faulty injector may be delivering fuel at the wrong time or not atomizing it properly, allowing unburnt diesel to exit the exhaust. Blue smoke can also indicate that oil is being burned, which can be a related issue. After turning off the ignition, I will check the exhaust pipe at the back of the car to see if there is oil. I will check with my finger. You can see the black color on my finger. That is engine oil. If you see a white part that looks like oil between my fingers, that is diesel. This means that there is a diesel leak. The reason for the car's white smoke is due to diesel and engine oil leaking out of the exhaust pipe. Symptoms. Number 4. Check engine light on. Check engine light. The vehicle's computer, ECU, monitors the performance of the fuel system. If it detects an imbalance in the air-to-fuel mixture or a misfire, it will trigger the check engine light. A diagnostic scan tool can read the specific fault code, which will often point directly to an injector problem. If any of these fault codes appear, it means that one of the fuel injectors in your car is not working or there is a problem with the injector. Your car's poor fuel efficiency could be a problem. If your car's diesel engine and petrol engine is having these same problems, then you know that your car has a fuel injector problem. Due to fuel injector problem, I have removed all fuel injectors and will send them to injector repair shop for repair and testing. Remember, do not test electric diesel fuel injectors manually. Manual testing will cause injector problems and more damage. Electric fuel injectors need to be tested with special tools and machines. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any problem understanding anything, please comment. How to open and install the fuel injector. How to start the engine after installation fuel injector. I will upload next another video.